Now, if you just started out learning Portuguese, maybe you already have quite some vocabulary, you understand some of the grammar, but still, you sound very foreign. Now, what to do is learn how to camouflage your English, Italian, French accent. And how to do that? Come along.
Gotcha there, twice.
In case we haven't met, I'm Katarina, this is a language in school, and that over there is a musical instrument whose name I never remember, but that's not the point. It belonged to someone who's no longer with us, therefore someone who does not have a voice. And I think it's a great reminder, at least to myself, that your voice is important, that you need to speak up when you can. And when you move to another country and you're fluent in your native, in your own language, all of a sudden you feel like you do not have a voice. So that's what I intend to do. I intend to help you finding your voice in European Portuguese, as cheesy as that may sound. So let's start. I'm actually going to be a bit cheeky, if I may, and use your language, English, to practice this skill. Quando eu morei ano na Polónia, infelizmente eu não trabalhei numa startup, startup. E os polacos faziam uma coisa muito engraçada, engraçada, que era comer pizza. Pizza é outra. Bom, comer pizza com ketchup. Como devem saber, dia 8 de março é o dia da mulher. E na Polónia eles celebram à grande. Então, no dia 8 de março de 2011, eu recebi um e-mail a dizer Feliz Dia da Mulher. E quem é que me enviou o e-mail? Foi o meu manager. Uma vez, o meu manager apanhou-me a postar no meu Instagram, durante as horas de trabalho. Mas naquela altura ainda não existia Instagram, pois não? Shhh, isso não interessa nada. Então eu tive de fazer um flyer marketing, um flyer para a equipa de marketing, a explicar que não se podia usar social media durante as horas de trabalho. I wanted to share this with you guys on YouTube, but I can't access it. I don't remember what my password is.
Gotcha there, twice.
YouTube password. Now I should actually end this here, but somehow I cannot stop. There's so many of these words. So one more for you. So what you can do next is fazer downloads of my mini Tuga. It's a great resource. It has 6 pieces that you can get for free online of native content for you to expose your ears more to the language. Native content not tailored for language learners, so it's really the real thing. But that in itself is not enough. You still need to understand how we speak, because so it seems, so I hear, it's quite mysterious and annoying and incomprehensible, but it's actually quite logical. Check this video next to understand how.